Ladder logic is the basic design technique used in motor control circuits. The main purposes in using ladder logic is for symbol identification, interpretation of circuit operation, and to visualize expectations of the circuit operation. The software program shown here is capable of building ladder logic circuits and to simulate the circuit operation. In the circuit shown, a normally open push button operates a coil. The computer program allows a visual response of the circuit operation. Ladder logic design allows for circuit interpretation and for completion of field wiring and also helps in troubleshooting control circuits. The circuit shown is a typical ladder logic drawing. Line L2 is typically connected directly to the coil. All control switching devices to the coil are typically wired with line L1. In the circuit shown, a normally open push button and a normally closed push button control coil C1. When energized, the C1 coil closes the C1 contact and energizes the red lamp. It is very important in ladder logic design to identify the contacts and the coils that control them. It is very important in ladder logic design to identify all components. One of the benefits of understanding ladder logic is to make field wiring easier. Relays typically have all of the connection points identified with numbers. Transposing the relay base numbers to the ladder logic diagram can make field wiring much easier. In this example, the corresponding coil and contact numbers are added to the ladder diagram. Identifying the components and the operation of those components is an important technical skill. Ladder diagrams helps the technician visualize the operation of the circuit. Knowing what the circuit is expected to do before the circuit is energized is a great skill to develop. In the circuit shown, the technician should know the basic operation of the circuit before ever wiring it. Can you visualize the operation of this circuit? Coil C1 is energized with push button, PB1. The normally open and the normally closed contacts change when coil C1 is energized. Notice that one of the two lamps will always be on, unless push button PB2 is pushed. Interpretation and visualization is an important skill to develop. As seen here, line 2 typically has no switching devices to the load. Line 1 is typically used to control the load. Also note that load devices should not be connected in series. Control devices, such as switches or push buttons, can be placed in series or parallel. Computer circuit design allows for an infinite amount of both normally open and normally closed contacts. In actuality, a relay has a limited number of contacts. The designer must allow for these limitations. Identifying ladder symbols, analyzing circuit operation, and field wiring the circuit components is a very important skill to develop. Ladder logic is used to design most motor control circuits in most areas of electrical automation. Therefore, make every effort to develop your motor control skills.